guys, we're going to get on this wheel bearing today because the temperatures are going to drop all day. It's going to be ice cold tonight and tomorrow. So I'm going to do another video in case I mess up, and that way I can go back and look. But I'm not going to mess up this time, so we'll be back. Alright, got my jack stand, my jack out. I already got the lug nuts loose. We're going to jack this thing up, pull this wheel, pull the brake calipers. I've got the new seal. They did give me the wrong one. I had to exchange it. And I got the new one in the truck. Pop the brake calipers off. Put the new seal in, re-grease it. And we're off. Okay. I don't have the best jack in the world. I need to get me a good floor jack, but I just don't need one that much. Let's get this dude jacked up. I've got this on a nice thick board so it don't sink into the ground. I'm bring it up high enough to get the wheel off. Got chocks behind the wheels. I'm a pro at this because I've done it 3 times already. This is the 3rd time. As I said, I don't have the best equipment. Come on. Usually use a socket. Rooster, you stay away from the truck. Shit. Sorry about that. This thing. Let me go get a pipe wrench or something. This thing ain't working. Or a socket. Let me get a socket. Alright, let's try that. Something to put on the list. New socket set, floor jack. Tools make all the difference. Almost. A little more. Okay, I'm gonna put my floor jack in. My jack stand there. Yeah, I'm gonna go a little higher. That's and I'm going to leave the jack where it is, but this is added. Nah, we'll bring it down to the jack stand. I go higher. Yeah, this knee work sucks. Oh. Dust cap. Oh. I don't think it's done any damage without the grease seal, but you want to keep running it that way. Not good. Rooster. And you stay away from the truck. Alright, I hope that cotter pin holds up one more time. You gonna help, Rooster? Alright, let me put this on time lapse, guys. Got there, Rooster. Alright, no damage is done. Now all I simply have to do is put the grease seal on, put it all back together. This is what I screwed up on it. There's a seal. Shut up, buddy. The seal that goes right here holds that in. I didn't put that on last time. I don't even think I had it. And taps in there. And that's it. I throw her back together. I'm gonna get some more grease and grease her up better. I'm gonna pack that dude up good. Alright, Rooster's very interested in things, so let me get this wrapped up. Let's just take a wad of that stuff, put it right there. Now these bearings have already been packed, so I don't have to worry about that too much. Alright, we'll seat that here in a minute. Okay, put the front bearing back in. I'm going to go ahead and repack it. Junk on. And you just put a little bit in your hand. That's how I do it. Just kind of roll it in the grease. Get it nice and packed in there. Since it's already been packed, ain't gonna do too much. Alright, then that front one goes in. Now, put the washer back on. Flat spot. Oh, hands are greasy. I gotta wipe this off a little bit. There's a little groove there it has to fit in. And you put the main nut on there. And then you're going to tighten this thing down really tight. Get that back bearing nice and seated. And then you're going to back off just to where this spins. Believe me, I'm not teaching nobody. I've already screwed this up once. Yep. Now we're going to back off. That's about where we want it. Now there's a little hole we got to line up with the nut here to put the cotter pin back in. I can't see the cotter pin. Alright, there it is. And we'll just back it off. You can see that hole. No, it's holes right there. Okay. Let me squeeze this thing down a little better. I should have bought a new cotter pin. I didn't think of it. Get this nice and straight. Yes, I should have. Ah, get out of the way. Ah. The joys of working on your vehicle. Alright, this has to go through. And it ain't wanting to. Get it nice and straight. It's twisted, so it won't go. A 50-cent part, and I forgot to get it. Like a walrus down here. Does not want to go. Alright guys, let me come back. I'm going to straighten this pin out with a hammer. It's too twisted. Oh. Alright, we got the cotter pin back in, dust cap on. Pack that little dust cap up a little bit with grease. Now we're putting on the back the brake calipers back on. And we're done. Put the wheel back on, we're done. I got that tight. Yeah, these brake lines are going to need replaced soon. Brakes are fine. And when you put brake calipers on, get them as tight as you can get them. Some people put Loctite on them. Ah. Yeah. All right. Put the wheel back on. Hardest thing I got to do is put this wheel on. Hell on the back. And I can't see. There we go. And we're done, folks. I do not enjoy auto mechanicking anymore. This hurts too bad. But we pushed through it. It was really only a 15-minute repair. And now I don't have to worry about it. And Rooster helped. Did you, Rooster? Oh. I could use an impact too, that'd be nice. I'll have to get me one. Alright, I won't bore y'all with Putting the rest of these on. Or maybe I will. I'm just going to get them snug, lower it down, tighten them the rest of the way. Thanks for watching, folks.